Top 3 reasons busy parents love the Shark upright vacuum. Life with kids means constant crumbs, dust, and pet hair. The Shark upright vacuum offers exceptional suction power, ensuring your floors are spotless after just one pass. No mess is too big for this cleaning powerhouse. Say goodbye to struggling with stairs or furniture. The Navigator Lift-Away feature transforms the vacuum into a portable cleaner that easily handles tough spots. Cleaning tight corners has never been this simple. Forget constant emptying mid-clean. With its extra-large dust cup, you can cover more space in less time, so you're free to focus on your family. Ready to simplify your cleaning routine? Try the Shark Upright Vacuum today and reclaim your time.